Dripping Ice Cream Nail Art Tutorial by Hotpinkzebrapolish.
Hi everybody! In today's video I'm going to be showing you this nail art design that I'm currently wearing that has its ice cream cones and there's ice cream cones and there's little drips. It's a matte and glossy combo which I'm in love with at the moment. So I hope you guys like this bright design as much as I do. It's very summery and you know, it just has that essence of being outside with an ice cream cone a little too long. So I hope you guys like it as much as I do, and don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well.
I'm going to begin on my ring and thumbnail painting 2 coats of the color Popsicle from Madam Glam. This color, I know I say this in every video, but I think this color actually has the best coverage I've ever seen, especially for this kind of a color because it's so kind of bright pastel color. Those, you know, they're always good, but this one is just phenomenal. And then I'm going to paint a triangle of Cafe Au Lait, and then I'm going to add a cross-hatching pattern with some brown paint over my little triangle for the cone. Just do lines going in one direction. After you have all of those, then you're going to want to take and do lines going in the other direction. Just take and add the little cross-hatching. Really simple. You don't have to stress over it too much. You can, you know, do them quick if you'd like. Then I'm going to take a dotted line of a color called Hey Honey, and I'm going to do that just right over the top of the cone. After that's cured, do a second layer of dots with the color Caribbean Sea. Cure it after you've got the little top of the ice cream cone, so you got the top scoop. And then I'm going to go back to my Hey Honey color and add just little tiny lines over the top of my teal, which will be for my little sprinkles. And I'm going to take some matte top coat and I'm going to apply that over my cone. And I forgot to mention this before, but before starting the cone, I did apply some glossy top coat over the Popsicle color in the background. After that's cured, then I'm going to glue a rhinestone to the top of my ice cream cone, just like so. And then I'm going to paint 2 coats of Cafe Au Lait on my index, middle, and pinky nails. Curing after each coat. So this has just really like a nice tan sandy color. Here's the second coat, just like so. And then I'm going to do my cross-hatching once again with the brown. You can either use brown paint or brown gel polish, either way. If you do use gel polish, then make sure that you cure it. If you use brown paint, just add the lines and then move on with your day. So just add those. You don't have to take these all the way up to the cuticle area if you don't want to, because I'll be covered up anyway. Apply some matte top coat, cure it, and then we're going to add our drips. So on my index nail, I did the drips starting with the color Popsicle. The reason I did that is because the other 2 would be right next to the ring fingernail, and I didn't want the Popsicle color to be right next to the Popsicle color nail. So I put that one a little farther away. Just add really simple drips coming down from the cuticle. Then I'm going to be adding my little sprinkles with Hey Honey. If you wanted to do the other 2 colors, since I used 3 colors of ice cream in this design. If you wanted to do the drips in one color and then do 2 colors for the sprinkles, you can. I kind of like just the one color. But then I'm going to be applying some glossy gel top coat over my drips. So just take some out on a little palette and use your brush to apply that so it only gets on the drips. Now on the middle nail, I'm going to be using the Caribbean Sea color for my drips. This is such a gorgeous, bright, tealy color that it's just so creamy looking. That's the one thing about Madam Glam's colors that I haven't found in any other gel polish that I've used personally, is that the colors are just so effective. They're so rich. They're so nice to apply. They don't bubble. That's so many gel polishes. They get these pesky little bubbles that you have to try to get rid of. Madam Glam's just don't. They cure really nice. They apply thin. They last really well on clients. They remove phenomenally. So I'm a fan, needless to say. And the pinky nail, I did Hey Honey, and then I did Caribbean Sea for my sprinkles. Just kind of go back and forth with whatever color that you use so that you've got sprinkles on each nail and drips, and that's it. This design is so much fun to wear, and it goes really good with my little kitten claws at the moment. So I hope you guys like it as much as I do. Please tag me in any recreations and check the description box. There's a discount code for Madam Glam's website as well as the colors I used, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!